Kia ora and welcome to Heapy's Tips and Tricks. With Hāpara Highlights, educators can access ethical monitoring features that support students in their learning, provide positive feedback, foster collaboration, and model and teach digital citizenship. Highlights is more than just closing tabs on students that are not focused on their learning. The features in Highlights are tied to sound pedagogical practices with guided instruction when used to their full potential. Guide browsing sessions are a great way to provide learners extra support as they learn to work online. Whether you want to restrict learners to a handful of websites or keep learners from accessing a website that has become a distraction, with guide browsing, you can ensure that each of your students has a browsing experience that will help them be the most successful. You can communicate with students within seconds. Highlights has 3 main communication features: message, email, and snaps. These features allow you to build relationships with your students, give consistent formative feedback, and provide additional structure and support. With browser tabs and current screens, you can build stronger collaborative relationships with your students and strengthen their learning process. For instance, you can document examples of good work or positive online behavior during a lesson. You can also easily share meaningful, formative feedback with students and help them reflect. For a deeper look at all of the ethical monitoring features, we encourage you to roll in the Hāpara Highlights Level 1 Micro-Credential course for a complete overview. Thanks for watching.